baby's shopping. Did you buy some new shoes while you were out? Those are very nice, Zoe. Very nice new shoes. Water? Yeah. Yes, what do you need? What do you need? You're seeing, oh, you've got a nice new shoe too. Let's try to, it's hard to get them both on, huh? Those are very innovative, Zoe. Those are fancy new shoes. I like them. You can also wear them as bracelets. You can wear them on your arm like a bracelet. You want to wear it on your arm? On your hand? Here. Here, put your wrist to it. There you go. Just like that. Yeah. You want to put that one on too? Oh, those are fancy. Yeah, we like the bracelets. Fancy. Wow. Can you spin it like a top? Can you spin your bracelet? Spin it. Wow, okay. Wow. Here, let me show you. This is how you do it. Can you spin it like a top? Oh, you want to spin that one too? Okay, here. You do it. You spin it now. You spin it. Woohoo! Or you could roll it. That wasn't a very good roll, was it? Oh. Or look, you can scoot it. Shuffle it. Here, shuffle it to mommy. Go like this. Go. Is it tasty?